Hello. Welcome to the Keto Diet and Fitness channel. The 4 ultimate tips for weight loss. Gaining weight is inevitable these days, but there is a great solution on how to maintain and to get the desired figure. It will probably be so hard for many to do it without the exact formula on how to lose weight. Therefore, I bring you the 4 quick weight loss tips that will help you regain the ideal body shape. Maintaining your perfect body is not an easy task, but with the aid of 4 quick weight loss tips, you will lose the unwanted weight and get back to the life of health and wellness. In this article, you will have the chance to know the 4 quick weight loss tips in order to relive a healthy lifestyle. To become the envy of many with your sexy body, check the 4 quick weight loss tips exclusively made for you. A person does not really necessarily has to be a vegetarian to be able to lose weight quickly. The 4 quick weight loss tips which this article offers you will not restrict you to exclude the meat on your meal. According to statistics, over half of the population worldwide is having difficulties in losing weight. Therefore, this 4 free weight loss tips, or should I say, 4 quick health tips, are designed exclusively for people who want to avoid unnecessary situation with regards to their health. You might be practicing today the 4 current weight loss tips or the 4 easy weight loss tips that include diet pills because this is the most famous way of reducing weight. To think that these weight loss drugs can be purchased readily and easily in any drug store near you, but many are turning their backs now in using them because of the side effects that may harm them in the next few years. Within the 4 quick weight loss techniques are the proven way in effectively reducing the excess weight of the body. You will experience an easy way to shed those too much pounds with positive behavior and discipline. You do not have to think of the 4 quick weight loss cheats because they are tried and tested that will not work and will just cause to regain an extra added weight in time. Here they are. Never skip your meal. This is the first among the 4 quick food tips: eat breakfast because it is still the most important daily meal. However, be sure to watch with salt content of the food. Too much salt is not good for the health and in losing weight. In addition, instead the usual 3 large meals, take several smaller meals. Whole grain is rich in fiber, so you must include them in your diet. Get rid of high-fat foods and calories that you might get from desserts. The amazing appeal of desserts is irresistible, so as much as possible, take those out of the meal plan. Take fresh fruits and raw vegetables as your snacks. If there is a meal, there is beverage. Among the beverages available now in the market, water remains the best. Other beverages have chemicals, like preservatives and caffeine, that have advantages and disadvantages for your health. As the second among the 4 quick weight loss guide, experts suggest green tea instead of soda because it has no amount of calorie and its content is an aid to accelerate the weight loss. Say no to alcohol because all of them has an enormous amount of calories that is the main factor in gaining weight. Among the alcohols that have great calorie levels are beer, wines, and others. Having witnessed the major key in 4 quick weight loss help, you notice that there are more on the foods that we eat every single day. However, after 2 quick weight loss tips you have witnessed above, there are 2 more among the 4 short weight loss tips. The 2 remaining tips have something to do with your daily activities. Here they are. Rest well. There is no exact sleeping time. New research has found out that the body does not require any suggested amount of sleep. If you have slept for 6 hours, do not rush to go back to sleep to complete the 8 hours of the former recommended sleep. The last among the 4 quick fitness tips is to wake up, do the scheduled workout. There are many kinds of workout that will help you to achieve your target weight. You may try to lift, but it will produce muscles. So, instead try the cardiovascular exercise that can help you to lose weight and at the same regulates the blood flow because of the good pump of the heart. If something wrong with heavy workout, you can try to walk. As suggested by doctors, take about 10,000 steps every day to help your bones to be denser and avoid osteoporosis. At the top of all these, you do not need to waste an enormous amount of money and risk yourself in using chemicals or undergo treatment or surgery just to lose weight in an instant. The 4 quick weight loss tips which you have read are all tried and clinically tested. These 4 quick weight loss tips are being introduced years now and have proven their undeniable success to help people who need to lose weight for their own personal reasons. Thank you for watching. Do comment, like and hit the subscription bell to be notified of new content.